and I rush to my job just to be on time. I'm a clerk for the train that goes riding by. Someday I'm gonna grab one and ride. Since last May I've been stuck in Duval County, far from my girl in the hills of Tennessee. Set up and busted, smoking one or two. Take care, don't let that happen to you. A cold wind is blowing this morning, and I rush to my job just to be on time. I'm a clerk for the train that goes riding by. Someday I'm gonna grab one and ride. I guess the good Lord must know what's best for me. He wouldn't have left me stuck here so far from Tennessee. The freight train makes a grade, it really slows her down. I'm gonna jump on and be Dixie bound. A cold